good, guys? Fuck the intro. We know what's going down. We're gonna take off. Well, I'm gonna take off the valve cover. After I take off the valve cover, I'm gonna take off the timing belt cover, and then we're pretty much gonna take these two plastics off, take the valve cover off, and then I guess to start taking it apart and rebuilding it. I was supposed to get my tool, but we're impatient, so we're gonna do it with the grinder. Whatever. Hopefully everything goes good. So I'm gonna record me taking these pieces off. Make it longer, dumbass. This that way. Funny how the guys are cringing right now. Don't care.
Oh, you're not supposed to do it like that. It's a sequence. You gotta unbolt it. You're supposed to do it with the torque wrench.
Nah, I see the Pakistani dudes.
Yeah, like on Facebook, those random videos of these guys taking apart all these big ass engines.
Yeah, so eat my ass.
You guys being pussies. That's what it is. Los tacuachillos. Working on Hondas now.
Does it fit there?
Where's the half inch? Where's the half strut?
It's over there. It's in the big one.
Oh, let's see this thing. Ay, ¿por qué les gusta batallar?
Should I replace my valve stem seals?
Yeah. Probably gonna break it like this. Alright, bet.
Took off the front timing, the tensioner, the belt, the crank pulley.
The head should pop up.
What's holding it?
One of the bolts.
This one goes here. This one goes here. Yep. Look at my gasket.
Yeah, the piston's cooked.
Look at that carbon. That's because we put fucking water in it.
Yeah, water.
Dumbasses. Gasket's pretty mint. I'm gonna change it anyways.
Just reuse it.
No. Nah, this thing's paper, look. Nope. Gasket right there. Little aluminum block. Oh. What is that?
It's Camden carburetor cleaning. It works really well. I clean my pistons in the LS1 with it. You guys will see once I start building it. But if you're trying to get rid of carbon buildup and stuff like that, just let it sit there for a little bit and then just scrub it.
Hit it with a brush?
Like a brush. I'm using a toothbrush. And then I'll make all the carbon buildup go away.
We took off the oil pan bolt. Now we just need to lift up the oil pan, and then we're gonna loosen up the rod and the main.
No mames, güey, pinches grandpa song.
¿Qué? You ready? Damn, you ugly. Here, lift the oil pan.
good.
I thought.
Weebies, papa.
There it is.
Man, cake this shit, bro. Oh, we're gonna have to clean the hell out of this pen.
This little engine was pretty dirty.
We needed a rebuild for sure.
A lot of people say I need to shim my oil pump on these ones. I know. Had a lot of miles. This motor had like 260.
You gotta boost it.
Now it's gonna have the time of its life.
This water, huh?
She's the song.
Let's pinche rola. And it looks mint way. They're not scratched, they just went out. The little bearings. Crankshaft looks mint.
He only has one.
One little main.
Yeah.
No
Does
one.
these 6 have 2 oil ports on each little bearing, little drum? It's okay though.
Están los new bearings. We'll put on gloves. Right?
You gonna put on gloves?
Yeah, they don't get greased.
Boom. Está lo piston. There's a rod. The little pins. The little journals.
Ay, ¿por qué? ¿Por qué me quedan? Como cuando me pongo un condón, ¿ya? Ay, ¿por qué caben? Ahorita se te cae. Arre.
See if we're testing it out.
Okay. Alright, the numbers go behind the engine, huh?
Let me look at the video.
Hey. Hey. Okay. This goes towards the trans, so it's gonna be like that. Like that. Yeah.
That's pretty crazy, man.
We're just gonna put the pins.
We should probably do it inside because I don't want them jumping around.
Mano, está todo lo pendejo.
What made this?
Fuck.
Put it down. I don't want it flying. And then we can't find it yet.
Oh yeah, we're fucked.
Let's do it inside the car.
Ya ves, papá. Ya casi. Ahí está. No, it was already in.
What?
Put the other side.
Fuck, it's so risky doing it outside.
We're not pussy.
Maybe a little bit.
Uy.
Oh, I'm scared.
No, para eso necesitamos que agarrar la herramienta. That's made for this. ahorita le ponemos el bearing. Un piston down.
Alright, so that's one. We're gonna skip to have them all done.
Yep, pero you put the numbers in the back of the engine, you put the oil towards the trans, que va a ir así, y ya.
Let me grab a note. This is an old one compared to these ones.
And the one that rods give out on
Oh, thin. Look at that.
No manches.
That big compared to this. Like half of that.
She could push low-key quite a bit of boost on.
People make like 500.
Off of those rods?
These ones are rated to like, yeah, 500. But that's pushing it. I'd say like 400 is good. But yeah, here's the bearings. Crank's ready to pull out. Pull it out. But these old pistons. But yeah, we're gonna clean up all this mess because look at this. Fuck. Edwin's cleaning the oil pump. I mean the oil pan.
Probably gonna spray it black.
That crazy how these meshes like open down.
On the third one, huh?
Yeah. Okay, so first ring we did 19, and then the second ring we're doing 23. A little bit of. There you go. Once that's done, I'm gonna port the oil pump. I'm gonna shim it, and then I think I'm gonna drip it to open it. Oh, we're almost done. Just need one more cylinder. After that, we're done with the tug rings, and then we can put on the
Main
rings.
bearings.
I got you. Alright, bet. Bearings in.
About to check the clearances. Some plastic issue.
Look, we notched the block and we didn't have to.
Wait.
Okay, bet we torqued everything down.
Check the clearances. Ready. They even squish them good way.
Why'd you do that? I have to clean them all.
Yeah, I fucking didn't read them good because of this shit right here. No, you know why? Because of plastic is fell in there. It ruined it.
Really?
Yeah, well, we gotta redo it all. Because of this shit, we gotta torque it all down.
Alright, it's nighttime. Edwin's clocking the rings. We already put 2 cylinders in. It's kind of, yeah, 2 pistons in, so 2 cylinders are done. I just finished putting oil on that one. We got that fucking tool, that thing sucks. And after we put these 2, we're gonna just put the crank on to finish. What are you doing?
Clocking this last ring. You gotta make sure none of the rings line up. Like, you gotta clock them opposite of each other. Okay, that looks good. Let's see right across from here.
There's a little pins on this side.
You know, huh?
I was like inspecting them.
Make sure they're all the way in.
I know, imagine.
I'm making sure they're all the way in. Man.
It's kind of annoying.
It's tedious, bro.
It is. 2 more, and then this shit will be built, and then just throwing everything back on. Yeah. Oh, we need to put the thrust on.
Yeah. Can't forget to put the thrust bearing.
Alright.
Turns over like nothing. Nice compression. Daddy. Daddy. Nah, it's not even doing it that way.
Sure?
No mames, no salió bien el pinche.
Didn't come out good?
Yeah, it is.
Don't scare me, nigga.
¿Cómo más estás en mí?
Huh? Oil pump, I did a little hack. It's a little Honda hack. You shim the little piston spring that's in here. I did it off camera, but I don't know.
Like when we click a video and we try to see what they're doing, the guy just skips it.
I know. It's everywhere on YouTube. But I'm gonna port this to get more oil pressure so the oil could come out more. So I'm gonna make the hole a little bigger with the. I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna stick a drill bit in there and just fucking.
Are you supposed to take it apart first?
Yeah, right here. I'm gonna do that. I mean, I shimmed it. It's shimmed already.
Well, I'm tired.
I could stop.
I'm gonna take a shower.
Okay. Fuck. Just this.